Are you shopping for a clutch right now? What you need to do is stop and watch this video. It will change everything that you know about clutches. So we start the journey today here. This is a factory clutch off a 2020 Mustang GT. It's a factory twin plate clutch with a dual mass flywheel from this car. But imagine that this could be any vehicle. Now, if we want to upgrade the clutch, normally we'd have to replace all of this with a completely new system. We can do that, and we'll talk through some of those options in this video. But UniClutch is the world's first sealed twin plate clutch, so we can keep the dual mass flywheel if we want to. Let's start with the cheapest and fastest way to upgrade the Mustang clutch. We're going to keep the dual mass flywheel. We're going to replace just the clutch module. So for putting UniClutch onto an OE flywheel, this is the system. There's a clutch core, which is a twin plate, completely sealed clutch module, and there's a few in the range. Here we've got the track intercooled, and then we've got a range of fitment kits that let us put the UniClutch onto thousands of different cars. Every fitment kit comes with a flywheel mount to attach the clutch to the flywheel, and a range of splines to suit different transmissions, and one of these will suit our Mustang. Now let's get this one set up in just a couple of minutes. And there you have it. That's the fastest way to put a 2000 Newton meter twin plate clutch in your Mustang. We've saved a load of money keeping the dual mass flywheel, and we haven't sacrificed any drivability. This will be really similar to that factory clutch. You've got silent shift to reduce the intermediate plate rattle that you normally get with twin plates. We're going to have a really nice pedal, very similar to the factory clutch, but we've got a massive increase in torque capacity. Now, we've picked the UniClutch track. This product's perfectly streetable, but also, as in the name, it's built for punishment on the track. And for that, we might want a lighten flywheel. Introducing the UniClutch Ultra Flywheel. Now, the first thing you notice is, where'd the friction surface go? Now, obviously the clutch has got a built-in friction surface. It's the only twin plate clutch to do that in the world. As a result, we can machine all of that out, making it ultra light. Thus the name. And just how light is a UniClutch Ultra Flywheel? Check this out. So we can see we've saved a lot of weight with our UniClutch and our Ultra Flywheel. And you can only do that with the flexibility of the UniClutch system. What if I told you we're not done yet? What would be better than a twin plate UniClutch on your Mustang? How about 2 twin plate clutches on your Mustang? Let's check out the UniClutch Quad. And here it is, the UniClutch Quad. Look at this beast. Up to 3,500 Newton meters out of this quad plate clutch. And it's the ultimate upgrade in the UniClutch system. To unlock the huge torque capacity of the quad, it bolts to an Ultra Flywheel. So to finish up, let's see the weight of the UniClutch Quad and the Ultra Flywheel, and we can compare that to the rest of the range to show the ultimate solution. Now you've met the UniClutch system, you will never look at clutches the same way again, whether you're after the fastest, the lightest, or for big horsepower applications, the wildest solution.